Poopy's got guests tonight, so he's going all in on shopping. At the shelves, he goes straight for a carrot, sniffs it, then drops it in the opposite shelf like he owns the place. No credit card here. He casually pulls out a golden coin and hands it to the cashier. The smell? Probably filling the whole street. His buddies show up unannounced, and the doggo dinner party begins.
Everyone, welcome to AI Smart World. This is the place where we teach you how to use powerful AI tools to create animation, voices, and effects completely free. Today, we're going to create an animation in 4 easy steps using completely free tools. Step by step, you'll learn everything. Ready? Let's go. Step 1. Write the story in ChatGPT. Step 2. Generate images in Nano Banana. Step 3. Convert images to animations using Google AI Studio. Step 4. Add voiceover with ElevenLabs and final editing with CapCut. Easy and fun. Follow along.
Step 1. ChatGPT Story Generation. We start by going into ChatGPT and asking it to create a story with 5 scenes about a dog going to the supermarket, to shop, having a guest, and cooking in the kitchen. Step 2. Google AI Studio / Nano Banana. Next, we go to Google AI Studio. Enter Nano Banana and paste the prompts from ChatGPT to generate images. Then, we download each image. Step 3. Animate with AI Media. We upload each image to the AI Media Generator. Paste the motion prompts we got from ChatGPT and run it to create animations. Then we download all animated scenes. Step 4. Voice and sound effects and export. Now we add voice narration using ElevenLabs and sound effects like ASMR from Pixar, enhancing the animation. And finally, we compile all layers in an editor like CapCut, adjust them together, and export the final animation.
All these tools are completely free. You can follow along and create your own animations without paying a dime. Fun and easy. Try it yourself. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe and try these steps yourself. Share your creations in the comments below. Let's see what you make. Have fun animating. See you next time.